Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve WeChat deactivate account. To know how to fix or how to solve WeChat deactivate account, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to the window of WeChat and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will enter to the window of force stop and you will click OK. Then you will click on storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone and you will wait a moment, then you can turn on your phone again. After all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi if it's not working. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.